This drink will keep you feeling young and healthy. This ginger-based drink combines the powerful health benefits of several natural ingredients. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including rheumatism and common cold. It is known to have anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Watch until the end of this video to discover a drink which will keep you feeling young and healthy. You will need 50 grams of ginger, peeled and cut up into slices. You will also need the juice of 1 orange. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which strengthen the immune system and support bone health. You will also need the juice of 1 lemon. Lemons also contain high levels of vitamin C and have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. You will also need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is another ingredient in this drink that is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to help with joint pain. Place all of those into a blender with 200 milliliters of water. So the ingredients are 50 grams of ginger, 1 orange, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 200 milliliters of water. By combining these drinks, this drink offers a powerful natural medicine to help keep the body healthy and strong. This can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Like and subscribe for more free tips, and thank you for watching.